Welcome back. Have you ever thought about the connection between rock climbers and viruses? Hang on, and by the end of this lesson, you'll find out. Now, for the last two lessons, we've talked about the composition of our cells: proteins, DNA, RNA, sugar, and lipids. We also focused on the structure of the lipid bilayer, that unique membrane that surrounds and divides cells and thus defines intracellular compartments, the organelles. We became familiar with the nucleus, the ER, the Golgi apparatus, as well as mitochondria, the power plants of the cell. Finally, we explored how information is stored in DNA, written in a genetic code and translated to direct the production of proteins. The harmonious synergy of these structures and their interactions are what ensures our well-being. Now, let's look at what happens when things break down and normal processes in our body don't function properly. These situations are what we commonly refer to as diseases, which often in extreme cases can lead to death. Have you ever considered? 150,000 people die every day. That's 55 million people a year. Most of these are the result of NCDs, that is, non-communicable diseases. NCDs are diseases that progress slowly over time and typically are chronic and can last for many years. You can't catch these diseases from other people. They're not contagious. They are, however, often avoidable. Cardiovascular diseases are certainly the most common NCD. When a person has a heart attack, he is said to have suffered a cardiovascular disease. A heart attack occurs when the blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked, often by a blood clot. The longer blood supply is blocked, the more damage to the heart muscle, and recovery becomes less likely. Cancer is the next most common NCD. Actually, cancer is a group of diseases. Common to all is uncontrolled cell growth. When our blood cells divide and grow out of control, we may be suffering from leukemia, myeloma, or lymphoma. When cells of one of our organs escape the normal regulation and grow rampantly out of control, they create a lump, a local heap of cells at the expense of the organ. This is a tumor. Sometimes tumor cells can further detach from the lump of origin and go on to grow and create new tumors in other organs, creating metastases. These diseases are serious and can be life-threatening. Surprisingly, however, moderation in your lifestyle can greatly reduce the chance of having to worry about these and other NCDs. Smoking and other high-risk behaviors have scientifically been proven as potential killers. So, stop smoking. An occasional glass of wine or beer is fine, but don't overdo it. Don't watch sports on TV. Get out there and move your body. And while you're at it, wear a hat. Use sunscreen. Have some fruit. Throw out the garbage. Throw out the garbage? Surprisingly, yes, trash disposal in the cells of our body play a key role in keeping us healthy. Let's ask Professor Aaron Ciechanover to explain.